What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars and I'm Quinn. Today we're going to be installing the Powerflex polyurethane bushings for the rear spring perches in a Fiesta ST. Check out this video, we'll show you how to get it done. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is the factory perch or mount, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty much just foam. You can see I'm able to just squeeze it. These are known to degrade and kind of fall apart after a while. So this is not only a performance upgrade, but it's in a way preventative maintenance as well. So as you can see, there's a little flange here, or like a gland I guess you'd call it. And we're going to insert that in and rotate it up until it's stopped against the spring. Yeah. Okay, as you can see down here, there's a little hole. That is where this peg is going to go. There, popped right in. Okay, spring. This will probably require 2 people. Yeah, basically that's the end of it. Well, okay, I've got the other side mounted. Looks good. I'm going to slowly jack this up. Line it up with our damper. And our 15mm screw back in. Just like so. Do the same. And that's how you install the poly spring perches. By the way, they come in 2 varieties. They have a black, which is a higher durometer, and a street spec, which is the purple. I opted for the purple. I don't know if there's going to be much difference. But I don't really think I need the higher durometer. I still like my car to be drivable and, you know, not annoying, so that's why I went with the purple. So thanks for watching this video. It's a pretty simple install. Just 2 bolts, drop the axle, and you got all the room you need. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Check out our playlist with all other types of Fiesta videos. And as always, if you have a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.